Hey everyone, Leslie here. Let's come down onto your mat. So positioning yourself nicely. Let's align our feet with our knees, with our hips, hip width distance apart. We're gonna take a roll down to the mat. If you need more support for the roll down, I want you to grab on behind the thighs. If you're okay, I want you to have those arms out nice and wide in a V position. Lift the shoulders, roll them down the back. Scoop in through the belly. Good, we're gonna take a 16 count down. It's nice and slow. Let's go. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Keep scooping. That's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're at the bottom. Great work. Pull the heels in towards the glutes. We're gonna reach the palms out towards the side, lift the knees up to a tabletop position, stacked over top of those hips, scooping in through the belly. We're gonna tap the toes, 2 counts, down for 2, and lift. Good, down for 2, and lift through center. So on the way up is where we find the exhale and the scoop. Good, that's it. Nice, now if we want more out of this, we're gonna reach the legs long. So we're gonna extend long for 2, pull it into tabletop, reach. This is more challenging. You'll feel it right away. Reach long, good, pull it in. Good, I want you to focus on keeping low back long and connected to the mat, and we're connected to the core. So if we feel like our back is lifting, arching off the mat, I want you to come back to tabletop and take a slow 1 count toe tap. Good on either side, or back to the slow 2 counts. Up for 2 and down. Good. You got it. Nice. Good. We have 2 more here. Reach. Pull it in. Last one. Exhale. Good. Let's lift the upper body off the mat. Good. Now we're going to add in the arms. So we're going to reach long behind us and then pull back and around through center. Good, exhale through center. So again, option to take the toe tap, right? Or 1 toe at a time, tap. Good, center. Again, tap, good. That's it, reach long, find the inhale, exhale, good. Nice, so moving slowly through the action, focusing on using the core. Bring it in and around. Reach long, good, in and around, 2 more. Let's go, reach out. And in, last one. Good, let's hold it center. Go 1 inch forward, forward and down an inch. Up an inch, down an inch. So reaching past the hips, up an inch, down an inch. Knees are stacked at tabletop. Neck is nice and long. Chin is slightly tucked. Belly is pulling in. Let's go for 4 more. 3, reach 2. Good at the top. Find a little pulse down to the hands, pulse. Good, so just holding right at the top. Keep reaching. Let's go, 16. Good. That's it. Reach a little further. You have 8 counts left. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. Hug the knees in towards the chest. Give yourselves a little rock side to side, back and forth, releasing through the low back. Let's extend long through the legs, long through the arms. Big inhale. Arching through the back, and exhale. Awesome job. Let's bend at the knee. Pull the heels in towards the glutes. Again, finding that neutral pelvis, scooping through the belly. Good, we're gonna send the left toe up to the sky, left hand behind the head, right hand is high above us. So we're gonna reach across to the toe for 2, and right back down. So exhale, lift, we reach, inhale, lower, we lengthen, so working through the obliques this time, and down, good. So feeling that contraction, the distance from rib to hip, shorten. Exhale, reach, inhale, lower, take it up, good, and down. We have 2 more this pace, lift, good, with control. Last one here, take it up, good. Now if we like single counts, let's go, lift. Good. Only going single counts if we feel like we have enough control at this pace. Let's go for 4 more. 3, 2, holding high, little pulse. Right at the top, so lifting right shoulder blade high off the mat. As we scoop deeply in through the core, you gotta keep reaching, lifting, go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Whew, great job. Lengthen through the legs and the arms. Take a big inhale. And exhale, let it go. Two sides of the body. We got to do that one more time. Let's pull the heels in. Again, scooping the belly in towards the spine. Setting the right toe to the sky. Right hand behind the head. Left arm starts high. Let's go. Take it up, we reach. And lower, we lengthen. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Good, so make sure we're using the core and we're not just working with momentum, right? Super important that we actually use the muscle group we want to, right? Take it up and down. Good, exhale, lift. You got it, two more. Let's go, lift and reach. Lower, lengthen. Last one here, up. Good, let's go, single counts here. Good. That's it. Again, option to reach across towards the knee if the toe is too high for 4 more. 3, 2, holding high. Find that tiny pulse. So left shoulder blade lifts high off the mat. Good, reaching out towards pinky toe. You got it, 8 counts left. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. Again, finding length through our lower half, upper half. Big inhale. Ooh, and exhale. Great job. All right, again, bending at the knee. Pull the heels in towards those glutes. Option to have those hands pressing down into the ground or hands lifted above the chest. We're going to squeeze the glutes, lift 2 counts to the sky. So we lift for 2 and lower. Good. Lift and squeeze right back down. So we're pressing down into the heels. Squeezing the glutes, right? Lift. Belly is still engaged. 2 more this pace, take it up. And down. Last one here, lift and squeeze. Single counts, let's go. Lift. Good. So we should not be feeling this anywhere in the low back, right? If we're feeling this in low back, hips don't press quite so high to the sky. And we focus on squeezing deeply into the glutes. You got it, 4 more, let's go. 4. Good, for 3. Last 2 at the top, we find our pulse. Little tiny squeeze and lift to the sky. Good, again, the pulse is coming from the glutes, right? It's not the arch in the back, it's not the hips moving, it's all the glutes. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, let's swing the hips right to left. Let's go to the right, to the left, right and left. So keeping hips high, keeping glutes engaged, transferring weight from one foot to the other, one glute to the other, feeling all that fire for 4 more. 3, 2, good, hold high, let's pulse it out, up. Good, we should be feeling all the burn right now, lift. This is it, we're pulsing it out right here, let's go. 16, 15, 14, 13, option to pick the heels up off the ground. For your last 8 pulses, let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release slowly to the ground. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Hips come down. Awesome job. Hug your knees in towards your chest. Good, let's give ourselves a little rock side to side. Felt that in the low back anywhere. Rocking back and forth. Quick figure 4 release. Good, crossing one ankle over the side, drawing the knee in towards the chest. Big inhale. And exhale, let's take that over to the other side. Quick release. Good, drawing opposite knee into chest. Awesome job, everyone. I hope you felt that burn. Great work.
Hey Barre babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next barre workout. See you soon.